Hey everyone, Amtrak and 263 up in here, and we got a train right now, right after that other one after I shut off the camera. It looks like Amtrak, surprisingly. I heard a lady voice though. And there goes 63. I think we had a girl engineer or something. I didn't hear my friend. I heard a girl's voice. So it could be, and there she goes, because it sounded like a girl's engineer on it, and that would be cool on it. Well, if it was a girl engineer, you don't see, you don't see that often. A girl engineer, but that's cool to catch if we caught a girl engineer again. I did catch a girl engineer before. That was like on the Lakeshore Limited a while ago, was Heritage 145. And stuff a while ago. But there goes this girl engineer though. I think she had 99 with her. Yup, I did hear a girl's voice on the speaker just now, so this was definitely a girl's engineer, because she just said clear for milepost down over there. And there she goes.